Okay, for this question, we have a teacher who instituted a new reading program at school, and after 10 weeks in the program, it was found the mean reading speed of a random sample of 19 second grade students was 91.9. What might you conclude based on the results? So we really want to figure out how likely it is to get this kind of result. So we can find the probability here by going to StatCrunch. And we can go to the normal calculator, and the mean is 89. Standard deviation is 10 divided by the square root of the sample size. So 10 divided by square root of 19 is 2.2942. So 2.2942. And then we want to know the probability that we get a value that is greater than 91.9. And there's the 1031, which is what the answer should be. 1031, you answered 9890. And then here, there's a 5% chance that the mean reading speed of a random sample of 19 sixth grader students will exceed what value? So this time we want to know what X is. So we can go over here to StatCrunch, and same thing as before, but this time we want this probability to be 5%, and we want to know, so that's 92.77, which if we round to one decimal place would be 92.8. And that's the correct answer. You answered 95.7. Okay, I'll take a look at the next one. Okay, so this time we're dealing with the population proportion. So we want to know, again, this is just normal. So you've got the mean and standard deviation already. So you just want to know what's the probability at least 80 are satisfied. So 80 out of 105, that's what you want to calculate. 80 out of 105. 80 out of 105. That's 76%. So we want to know, see here. So we've got, close that one out. So the mean is 0.76, standard deviation 0.042. 0.042, and we want to know probability of getting something greater than 76.76. And that's 50%. And we've got which actually, if you see here, the correct answer, we got a half but I rounded that. So you can see here under correct answers, it's 0.4818 plus or minus that, or 0.5 plus or minus that. So ours falls within the range. If you want to get a closer estimate, you can do 7619, and that'll give you the 4819, which is what they got here. Okay, and then we want to know 79 or fewer. So again, 79 out of the 105. So 79 out of 105, and that's 7524. So we want to know less than 7524. And that's the 4282, which falls within the correct answer here. Okay, so we'll look at the last one. Okay, so you've got the mean and standard deviation, and we just want to know the probability p hat is greater than 42. So the mean is 0.4. So we'll enter mean is 0.4. And standard deviation is 0.69282. And we want to know probability greater than 0.42, so greater than 0.42, and we get to 3864, which is 3864, correct answer. Okay, and then looks like you got this one fine, so not sure what you did here. Okay, hope this helps.